Hi guys, Lina here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to be creating a look which you guys see on the thumbnail. If you want to see how I created this look using very affordable makeup products, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please support your girl. Click on the subscribe button just right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you know when next I upload a new video to this channel. So guys, let's get right into this tutorial. To start your makeup look, you want to apply a primer all over your skin, and I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer, this right here. If you have an oily skin, I totally recommend this primer. Foundation, I'm going to be using Revlon Color Stay Foundation, and I'm going to be mixing two shades of it, which is the Revlon Caramel Foundation and the Revlon Mocha Foundation. So I'm applying the Mocha Foundation to my foundation brush here to apply this foundation on the lower parts of my face and around the corners of my face. I'm actually going to use foundation to just crop the corners of my face and my neck area. It's almost like I'm contouring. Then I'm going to take what's left on the foundation brush and just start to apply it to my forehead area, my temples. Your temple is this area right here, and my core forehead. I'm going to apply the Revlon Caramel Foundation to the part of my face that I didn't apply the darker one, which is my under eye area. So I think one puff should be okay. The upper part of my lips and a bit of my forehead too. Yes. On the sides of your ears as well. Don't forget the corners of your face. And if you can even extend the foundation a bit towards your neck, that would also be great. Proceed down to highlighting my face. I'm going to be using the Zickel Second Skin Concealer. Back to that darker foundation which I used earlier. I'm going to use it to smooth out this area, then over that area with the foundation. I'm going to be using the Early Pride Contour Game Palette. I'm going to use this powder here. I'm going to use these two powders here. I'm going to just tap into the two of them. My forehead area, in that same two powder shades that I used, in that area where you want it to be. The other part of my face, I'm going to use a darker powder because I'm trying to warm up my complexion. I'm going to be using this one here. I'm going to mix this powder here and this one for the other parts of my face. We're doing it. Get in that cut out that my chin area. Next, I'm just gonna brush in my brow hairs. I have a detailed brow tutorial. I think I have like 2 or 3 brow tutorials on this channel. So if you want to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, I'm gonna put a link to that video. Hey guys, we have drawn in our brows. I'm going to be using ENL Beauty, the Divine eyeshadow palette right here, and I'm going for a very simple eyeshadow look, guys. I'm going to show you the shadows which I used in creating this look. So I'm starting out with Kike, which is a bronzy, very pigmented, shimmy shade. I'm just applying Kike to the beginning part of my eyes, this area here. I just see how my eye just pops. It's same for the other eyes here. For the outer part of our eyes, I'm going for a brown, and I'm using the brown shade named Onika from the same palette. I'm just going to press it on to this area here. Just immediately after that shimmy eyeshadow, I'm just tapping it in. I'm just pressing it in. You can see what I'm doing, and I'm using ENL Beauty's 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush. This brush right here is perfect for applying your eyeshadow. It's not big, it's just small, so it just goes directly on the area where you want it to be. That's why I'm just pressing it on. Isn't this beautiful? So guys, next for my outer V area, like the ends of my eyes here, I'm going to go for the black eyeshadow in the same palette named Anna, and I'm going to use another of the ENL Beauty 3-in-1 brush. This one is also clean, so I'm just going in with that black eyeshadow. I dabbed into it, it's already on the brush here. I'm just going to press it on to my outer V area. Press it on while I'm blending carefully. Just press it on, Yes. A little black don't hurt nobody. Black. So I'm going to go back to that brown and just kind of lay more emphasis with the brown. Pressing it in a bit more just so that that black doesn't overpower it. So when you look at it, you can still see the richness of the brown and the black, and they are both just sliding in together. Yes, though I don't like the fact that this black is kind of like just dragging my eye down a bit. I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just clean out my under eye area, so it's kind of lifting my eyes a bit more. Though I think I like just the brown, you know, without the black eyeshadow, but I don't know. Let's just see how everything turns out looking. Black just makes this look so fierce. I'm gonna go back to that brown and just, you know, lay more emphasis. I'm just tapping on that brown area where I applied the brown so that it's also vibrant. We don't want the black to overpower it. We want the brown to also be rich and screaming out on its own, while it's also well blended. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to achieve here. Nice effortless blend with the black and the brown, and also the gold color. Yes. Okay, so guys, next I'm gonna go out now. I'm gonna go and clean out this upper area here and my under eye area with the concealer. I'm going to use the flat side of the 2-in-1 brush to do that. Just going to apply the concealer to the brush and yeah, clean out the look so that everything looks put together. Brush. I'm also just going to blend this area here that the eyeshadow meets the brow area. You want to go back in and set with the same powder so it doesn't crease. For the center of my eyes, that's like my tear dot area, I'm going to use the shadow named Rachel. Guys, this eyeshadow is the best eyeshadow for, you know, drawing attention to the center of your eyes because it's lighter than this other bronzy one. So you can see with this, it just opens up my eyes a bit more, and I'm kind of extending it to the other shade so it doesn't look like it's out of it. This, I want to define my waterline area, and I'm using Mabuk's extremely soft eyeliner pencil. This is the black eye pencil, which is perfect for your waterline area. So I'm just applying there. I used one finger to drag my waterline down, so I can just easily just go in and apply the pencil. I'm going to apply it to my upper. You can see that. See how the way it looks. This is just, it just makes my eyes pop more. So apply same here. So now it's time for mascara. Yes, and I'm using ENL Beauty's volumizing mascara. This mascara right here, it wakes up your lashes. You're gonna see. Just look at how this face looks now, and when I'm done with my mascara, you see the difference. So from the bottom part, I'm just wiggling it up. Wiggling it up. Yes. This mascara literally just gives your makeup look life. Look at my eyes here and look at this. I literally don't even need to use lashes. I don't even think I'm going to use lashes for this look. I wanted to, but I don't think so anymore. I wanted to do my lashes, but I don't think I would bother about doing my lashes because I really love the way my eyes looks without the false lashes. Like, it's so beautiful. I want to contour my face a bit, and I'm going to use the darkest shade in this powder palette, this one right here. I'm just going to take it on the two sides of the brush. I don't have to bother. I don't have to dip in again. So I'm just gonna and apply the contour shade just right here. You can almost not even see anything, and I like it that way. Then next, I'm going in with an eyeshadow from this same palette here named Chioma. I'm going to show you the shade. Just applying it to my cheekbone area. Yes, that's my blush. Chioma. Beautiful. So guys, next, to highlight my face, I'm also going to use an eyeshadow from this same palette here, and the name of the eyeshadow is Onyinye. I'm going to use my fan brush here and apply the shadow just on my cheekbone area, this area right here, and here too. Bridge of my nose, just this area here. Yeah, the highest point on the bridge of my nose. Oh yeah! Wow, just look at it, guys. From this palette here, you're getting eyeshadows, you're getting glitters, you're getting highlighter, you're even getting a contour shade. You can still use this same contour shade I used on my eyeshadow, like for the brown, to contour your face. Like, it depends on how your complexion is. If you're probably like my complexion shade and darker, you can use it to contour your face also. So guys, next, what's left for this look is my lips, and I'm going to use ENL Beauty Coffee Lip Liner. It's a brown lip liner. I'm going to apply it on the corners of my lips. For my lipstick, I'm using an ENL Beauty's Velvet Liquid Lipstick named The Creamiest. And I'm going to apply just a little of this and use my fingers to just blend it in. Yes, I like the way it looks. I don't know if I want a bit more of this. Okay, let me just apply a bit more, just for the vibrancy of the color. So next, I want to define the corners of my lips so that my lips just pops a bit more. And I'm going to go in with the same concealer which I used, or I think I'll just stick to using my caramel foundation so it doesn't look too out there. So going in with the caramel foundation. I'm going to just use it to define the corners of my lips. Okay guys, what do you think? I think I'm done with the makeup look. This is it guys. Like, what do you think? And the beauty of how the lips are is it's not glossy, so you can wear your marks on it, and when you take off your marks you still have your lipstick on, because it's matte. It's matte though. The velvet lipstick, it's not drying, so you still feel a bit of moisture on your lips, so you're comfortable on your lips guys. So what do you think of this look? Would you like to recreate this look? Let me know in the comment section. If you love how the makeup look turned out despite the bit of struggle, let me know in the comment section guys. And if you want to see more makeup looks on my channel, please let me know in the comment section as well. And please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, support me by clicking on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell by clicking on the bell button right below. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Remember to be bold and have courage, guys. Be bold and have courage. Live a positive life and aspire towards living your dream life. Thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.